OpenAI has released ChatGPT-5, and many experts believe this is one step closer to true artificial superintelligence, systems that can outthink humans in almost every way. But here's the concern: most people imagine doomsday scenarios like job loss or deepfakes. The real danger could be different. What if superintelligence is actually safe, helpful, and smarter than us in everything? How will we feel knowing our phones hold more intelligence than our own brains? Researchers warn that this could lead to something called augmented mentality. AI assistants, built into smart glasses, earbuds, and wearables, won't just answer questions, they'll see what we see, hear what we hear, and whisper advice into our ears in real time. Imagine meeting someone on the street, and your AI reminds you of their name, their family situation, and even suggests what to say. It feels like a superpower, but are we still truly ourselves, or just puppets of AI guidance? Experts like Louis Rosenberg believe the line between human augmentation and human replacement is thinner than we think. What do you think? Is GPT-5 the beginning of human superpowers, or the start of losing what makes us human? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.